Hi, I'm Kraig Schultz. I've spent thousands of dollars installing solar panels on my house, but I'm not recommending that you do that. I think that you might be better off and could save more money installing a meter like this. It's a whole house electrical meter. Let me tell you how. So we've had solar panels on our house and electric vehicles for 10 years now, and people often ask for advice on installing solar at their home. My first recommendation is not to install solar, but rather to get some way to measure consumption. And you may not even need to purchase a meter of your own. First, you should check with your electricity provider because you might have a smart meter on your house like this one that allows you to see consumption in a detailed way. For example, here's a report that shows energy consumption by the hour for our house. And this was for one particular day. The most important thing that I have people look for is how much electricity that they're using during the middle of the night, for instance, from midnight to 7 a.m. This helps identify what I call phantom loads. These are things that are plugged in, drawing energy that don't need to be. Next, I recommend installing LED light bulbs. We replaced all the light bulbs in our house with LEDs and saw a huge reduction in our electricity use. Just finding those phantom loads and replacing your light bulbs results in saving a lot. But even if your electric company has a smart meter on your house, having a real-time meter like this effigy meter has been really helpful for us because we have it sitting in our kitchen and we monitor what we're using, and we even carry it around the house, turning things on and off to locate the high energy use items. Here's a video of how easy it is to install.
Hush now, your fears are fading. Some watery tears won't bring you down. While I'm around, another free fall landing, another favor to recall. Nothing at all. I believe we got a soul to leave in our silent sound. I'm not around. I believe we got a soul to leave in our silent sound. I'm not around.
So through the years, we've continued to improve, and here's an example of where we are today. Our electricity bill is around $130 per month, even though we're powering both our house and our electric car that we drive over 1,100 miles per month. While we're really happy with our solar panels and our electric car, our fastest return on investment came from installing LED light bulbs and from using our whole house wireless energy meter. Thanks for watching.